Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to unbox this power bank which is purchased from OnePlus store. So at the time when I purchased this power bank there was an offer, so that's why I have got this power bank at 770 rupees. So here as you can see its complete amount is 770 rupees and GST amount is 117 rupees. So this is the box package guys. So I have unboxed it, and to show you people I have put that box with me. So here is the power bank which is in green color. So let me open it. So backside you will see the all details regarding this power bank, and it is made in China. So here you can see price of the power bank around 1299 rupees. So it will give you around 9800 mAh, and rated capacity of this power bank is around 9800 mAh. And this is the Red Cable Club card guys, and this is the user manual of the power bank. So you will see the instructions and LED lights etc here. And let me take off this cable from this box and then I will show you about this cable. So this cable length is around 30 centimeter, so you can charge with it with your device USB type C or micro USB. So this is the length of the cable. So it is a little bit good, but you can't use for 30 watt charge, so it supports around 15 or 18 watts. So this is our power bank. Here as you can see details made in China, and rated capacity is 9800 mAh, and there is voltage etc on this power bank. So this is good and it feels good guys. You can buy it from Amazon or OnePlus store. So this is the power button. Overall the power bank is good and you can purchase. So its weight is also very low. Thanks for watching.